every morning. A smoothie that marries spinach and strawberries can deliver a powerful punch, bright sweetness, vibrant color, and a health-forward boost of iron, vitamins, and When you blend fresh spinach with ripe strawberries, you get a creamy, naturally sweet beverage that energizes your body and supports your immune system. It's a smart, delicious way to start your day. Spinach is a leafy green rich in iron, folate, vitamin C, and fiber. Though mild in flavor, spinach contributes deep iron content, which is especially beneficial at breakfast when the body can absorb nutrients early in the day. Strawberries bring antioxidant, polyphenols, vitamin C, and natural sweetness, which balances both the iron from spinach and the earthy notes of leafy greens. Together, spinach and strawberries provide a synergy. Vitamin C from strawberries helps your body absorb plant-based iron from spinach more effectively. Imagine sipping a perfectly blended smoothie, the pale pink-green hue, flecked with pieces of bright red strawberry and deep green spinach. Each sip is smooth, subtly sweet, cooling, and refreshing. You feel that morning? Pick me up without heaviness. Such smoothies are wonderfully versatile. You can add oats or bananas for body, Greek yogurt or a scoop of protein powder for protein, flax or chia for omega-3 south and fiber. Below is an extended flowing narrative that weaves in background, benefits, flavor, science, preparation tips, lifestyle framing, and 3 delicious recipes. Morning smoothies have transformed my routine, from rushed breakfast to intentional nourishment. In my kitchen, I discovered that spinach and strawberries are an elegant duo. Strawberry sweetness meets iron-rich greens in every creamy, bright sip. I blend handfuls of fresh baby spinach, vibrant strawberries, sometimes banana, maybe a splash of orange juice, or almond milk, and unstoppable energy follows. These smoothies feel indulgent, yet alive with nutrients. One reason I fell in love with this combination is balance. Spinach alone can taste vegetal. Strawberries alone can be bland if underripe, but together they dance. Spinach's leafy mineral earthiness softened by ripe berries. I learned early on that vitamin C is key. Strawberries help unlock spinach's iron the body needs. That synergy makes breakfast more than filling it, becomes functional. A glassful is hydration, iron, vitamin C, fiber, and natural sweetness. Every sip is pastel green, rosy, slightly creamy, fruit-forward. I relish the aroma of fresh strawberries, the whisper of spinach blending into something silky. I often add ingredients like Greek yogurt for richness or oats for extra body, always mindful that texture shouldn't overpower flavor. The smoothie remains refreshing best sipped chilled, maybe garnished with a slice of berry or leaf of spinach perched on the rim. From a wellness standpoint, the benefits stack. Iron helps oxygenate blood. Vitamin C boosts immunity. Fiber supports gut health. Antioxidants preserve vitality, and plant compounds reduce inflammation. Spinach gives calcium and magnesium, too, small but meaningful contributions. Strawberries provide manganese, folate, and potassium. Together, they offer more than taste. They deliver nourishment. I found these smoothies fantastic for busy mornings before work, pre-workout fuel, school days for kids, or post-travel resets. They're easy to prepare in under 5 minutes. You can wash, produce, combine, blend, and enjoy. Make extra and pour into travel bottles to sip on the go. They stay bright and fresh in insulated containers for hours. You can even freeze batch pouches, spin veggies and berries, freeze small portions, then blend later with milk or water. That level of prep makes nutrient-packed breakfasts effortless. Over time, I experimented with optional add-ins. A teaspoon of ground flax or chia seeds for fiber and omega-3, a scoop of protein powder, a few slices of banana for sweetness and creaminess, a spoonful of almond butter or avocado for healthy fats, or a sprinkle of cinnamon or ginger for digestive zing. Yet always I come back to the basics. Spinach, strawberries, and water or milk. Simple, bright, nourishing. If you're thinking about iron absorption on a plant-based diet, this smoothie is strategic. Spinach offers nanheme iron. Vitamin C from strawberries transforms it to a form your body can absorb more readily. That is especially important if you avoid red meat or just want to maximize iron uptake in a tasty way. Consider flavor ratios. Start with about 1 cup of strawberries, 1 to 2 cups of spinach. Adjust sweetness with banana or yogurt as needed, and liquid to your preferred consistency. Blenders vary, so you might need more liquid IV, smoother blending. As for serving size, 2 cups yields about 300 to 350 ml and lines up with 200 to 300 cacao, depending on age. Best time to drink? Right after blending. The flavor is brightest when served, fresh and chilled. I like to garnish with a strawberry slice on top or a fresh spinach leaf. It looks vibrant, inviting. The smell of strawberries invites sip after sip, and the cool mintiness of spinach rounds the taste. I've shared this smoothie with friends and family and they rave. Some expected a strong green taste but were delighted by the subtle sweetness. It's approachable, even for kids or green smoothie skeptics. It feels cheerful, energizing, like a garden, captured in a glass. To inspire you, here are 3 recipe variations using spinach and strawberries as the foundation. Each serves 1 generous glass, suitable for breakfast or a nutrient-rich snack. Recipe 1. Strawberry spinach, classic smoothie ingredients. 1 cup fresh strawberries, 2 cups fresh baby spinach leaves, 1/2 banana, 1 cup cold water or unsweetened almond milk, ice cubes if desired. Instructions: add strawberries, spinach, banana, and liquid into blender. Blend on high until smooth and creamy, about 30 to 45 seconds. Add ice cubes if you want a frosty texture and blend again. Pour into a glass. Enjoy immediately. Why it works: clean, fruit-forward, light, and well-balanced vitamin C and iron synergy in one refreshing sip. Recipe 2. Creamy spinach strawberry protein boost ingredients. 1 cup fresh strawberries, 2 cups spinach, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup cold water or milk, 1 scoop plain or vanilla whey or plant-based protein powder ice. Optional instructions: combine strawberries, spinach, yogurt, protein powder, and liquid in blender. Blend it, combine thoroughly. Add ice as desired to chill. Blend again briefly. Pour into glass. Why it works: added protein and creaminess make it satisfying and keep you full through mid-morning. Recipe 3. Green, strawberry, spinach, oat, energizer ingredients. 1 cup strawberries, 2 cups spinach, 1/4 cup rolled oats, 1 teaspoon chia or ground flaxseed, 1 cup milk or almond milk, optional, 1/2 teaspoon honey or maple syrup. Instructions: place oats and seed into blender first, then strawberries, spinach, and liquid. Blend at high speed until oats are fully incorporated and texture is smooth. Taste and add sweetener if needed. Blend briefly again. Pour into your jar or cup. Why it works: oats and flax add fiber, slow-release carbs, and omega-3 south. This is a fuller breakfast smoothie ideal for busy days. Beyond recipes, lifestyle integration makes these smoothies powerful. I keep pre-washed spinach in sealed containers in the fridge and freeze whole strawberries by the cup portion ready to grab. I refill my blender bottle the night before. Spinach handful at bottom, container of frozen strawberries in freezer. Paper directions taped to fridge so breakfast is pre-planned. On lazy weekend mornings, I craft layered smoothies. First, spinach and strawberries. Then, top with granola or sliced fruit for texture. These smoothies also support detox-style resets or when you want to drink more greens, yet prefer flavor over green bitterness. They're excellent after travel because water weight, fatigue, and long hours need hydration plus nutrient sand. This smoothie gives both without heaviness. Flavor variations: add mint for freshness. Swirl in a teaspoon of nut butter for richness. Drop ginger or turmeric for anti-inflammatory lift. Orange or pineapple juice for tropical brightness. Cucumber or celery for extra hydration. But always spinach and strawberries remain the core, the anchor. From a nutritional standpoint, spinach gives roughly 2.7 milligrams iron per cooked cup, plus vitamin K, folate, vitamin A. Strawberries deliver about 89 milligrams vitamin C per cup, more than enough to boost plant iron absorption. That blend supports energy metabolism, red blood cell formation, and immune resilience. Fiber aids digestion. Healthy fats from chia or almond milk support nutrient uptake. Protein from Greek yogurt helps muscle support. Over time, sharing this with community, I realized people loved the balance. Not too sweet, not too green, just right. They asked for texture options, adding oats, thicker with banana or thinner with water. You can customize for dietary needs. Dairy-free, vegan, protein powder, keto modifications with avocado or coconut milk. Low-sugar fruit additions like raspberries or blueberries. If used as content for a YouTube video, you'd highlight the visuals, vibrant smoothie, layering, spinach and strawberries, blending action, close-ups of pouring creamy pink-green blend, garnish, sip reaction. Narration can mention benefits, simplicity, hacks, and the why behind this flavor pairing. Include text overlays like iron and vitamin C combo, 5-minute breakfast, naturally sweet and green. Spinach and strawberries together deliver more than taste. They bring synergy, sweetness, nutrition, color, and ease. They make health approachable. This smoothie concept invites your viewers to enjoy mornings with purposeful freshness and nourishment. Now for your YouTube content, extra